We were gifted this shelf in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This is packaged very well to protect during shipping. It does look like it's going to require some assembly. Correction, this is definitely going to require some assembly. There are 4 shelves, the instruction manual, there are 3 different length poles. These are actual metal pipe, like it's really, really heavy. Then you have these metal pipe connector pieces. You have these pieces, which presumably are going to go onto the wall, and you have a big bag full of anchors and screws, as well as these brackets. So we're definitely gonna need a drill. Step 1 starts like this. So this will not stay straight if you try to tighten it all the way. I've tried taking it off and putting it back on, and it's just not working, so we're gonna have to leave it loose. I'm assuming once we secure it to the wall, it will stabilize itself. Unfortunately, at this point, I cannot install this because it is so much bigger than I had anticipated, and we have this shelf that's in the way, so I can't fit it on this wall. But I am really impressed with how sturdy it is, even when the pipes don't completely lock into place.